So I found an old floppy disk. It's a portfolio that I made in the 90s. Let's put it in and see what happens. See what's on there. Here we go. This is the floppy disk right here. And it looks like it's Future Splash Player 1997. It looks like March, April, March, February, February 1997. Okay, so if people aren't aware, Future Splash Animator was a program that you could do vector animations with. And then Macromedia, the company, came along and purchased Future Splash Animator and just named it Flash. And then several years later, Adobe came along and bought Macromedia, and then it became Adobe Flash. But that's the history of the product, and I was using it back in 1997, it looks like. So, um, here's the Netscape plugin, and let's see if she works. Um, I don't think it recognizes the executable anymore. Let's try let's try opening it with a Flash player. Oh. That's awesome. Okay, let's see. Okay. Is it going to let me? Let's not worry about it right now. I don't think it's going to let me. I do remember that I had like three different interfaces. So let's see. I think, let's see. You should just go. For some reason, they're showing up as something that was like Maya, a Maya file. SPL must now be a Maya file format. Okay, yeah, so I don't think it's going to let me actually play these the way that I initially set them up. And then there was Circus, I think that's the other one. Okay, this is playing way faster than what it's supposed to, but I think you get the idea. So the background obviously was, it looks like a GIF, maybe? GIF, however you were raised to say such a thing. But you can see that these animations are vector, and yeah, they're playing way fast. And yeah, it won't let me play. So let's see if I can get to the portfolio the same way. So these were traditional illustrations and things that I did. And yeah, that's a watercolor and ink deal. And digital, okay, yeah, so I did some banners for Corel back in 1990s, 97, 96, 97. Enough Jeans, I did some freelance work for them. So this is hilarious. Is that it? That's it. That's hilarious. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that is that is awesome. I cannot remember what I made that in. It probably was Strata or Ray Dream Designer. I honestly can't remember. I can't remember. It was so long ago. That is that I mean, I would hire me. I mean, look at that stuff. That's great stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. I don't know if any of you found that entertaining, but it was entertaining to me. So, thank you for watching.